save the earth and reduce the use of plastic. Don't eat plastic, save the plastic, and in the future, plastic is everywhere. With this donation, good morning to all. Today, we decided our fifth speech are going to conduct an innovative assembly on the topic don't use plastic bags.
Let's get this party started!
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
Oh, it's plastic again. I've been seeing too many nowadays. Tens of thousands of animals, like cows, birds, whales, turtles, die every year due to plastic. Plastic in the gut just stays there, stops food digestion, often leading to slow, painful death. Plastic takes up to 1,000 years to decompose. So even after killing an animal, it goes on to kill many more. It was too late for these animals, and if we don't act, it will be too late for everyone. Out of 300 million tons of plastic produced annually, only 10% gets recycled. That means we have a lot to do. Let's get started.
छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली हम सब ने अब ठानी अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी
Can I get you something to drink? Yes, we will have a lemonade. But no straws, please.
ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी ये सोच सयानी
I would like to buy a pack of water bottles, please.
Sure, ma'am. But Mom, I can refill my reusable bottle.
Oh, it's okay. This is cheap and easy. We can just use and throw.
Mom, I love you, but I have another mother. My Mother Nature. I love her too. I don't think she will like it if we keep abusing her resources.
Be the change you want to see.
शुक्रिया अदा प्लास्टिक ने साथ जो दिया मिसयूज न करेंगे इसे ये वादा कर लिया हाँ मुझे एतबार है सबके मिल जाने का समंदर से हाँ मुझे प्यार है इस दुनिया से मेरी इस घर से हाँ मुझे प्यार है
धरती 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 मेरी माँ है मुझको प्यार है मेरी माँ से मिट्टी पानी दरिया पंछी और बहती हवा से धरती मेरी माँ है मेरी जान इस पे कुर्बान माँ की सेवा करना मैंने माँ से ही सीखा इस
Yes, we love our Mother Nature and will protect her in every way. We make plastic. We buy plastic.
We use plastic.
And we have to stop. If you cannot reuse it, refuse it. Today, we are taking an oath not to pollute this earth. Are you with us?
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक किक मार पाए रे